Oh, ow! Damn it. Alright guys, I'm at the perfect 2.5-inch freestyle spot. We are in the wood with some big trees, and I brought the Kuhl 25 with the C design, and also I found some 2.5-inch freestyle props, so I hope it will fly even better than last time. Let's go. It looks like everyone is ready. Let's try not launching into a tree. Oh yeah, that feels much better than with the Cinewood props. Dog doing some frustration rolls. Yeah, the prop wash is completely gone now, I think. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh, branch fairy. Also I see the tiniest bit of prop in the view. Like it's almost perfect. But for that I have another idea how to get the props out of view. Because there is another configuration with the props that I could do. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Can a trippy spin? Yes. Can I trippy spin? No. Also the key feature here would be this power loop, I think. Through this gap. I did it on the Kaiju Mini after quite a lot of tries. I think it was like this. Why is it so easy? What the f? A year ago when I did this with the Kaiju Mini, that was the hardest trick. Oh, hello crowd. That was really easy. Might have been luck, but wow. Let's try to get a clean up trippy spin. Ah, that was pretty good. Oh man, this thing flies amazingly. And I still got some adrenaline from the power loop. Let's try it again. Why? What is it? It was so easy. Why? Holy shit. Nice. We might actually have gotten better at flying. That's amazing. I think we can go back here as well. I think I have to make a proper antenna mount for this antenna, because it looks like I'm getting some unnecessary... I can't even do it while talking. What is going on here? Crazy. I'm getting some unnecessary noise in the footage from all the antenna movement, I think. So this is not ideal. Nice. Super happy. I think this is your new favorite. Okay, let's land. Jawohl. Nice. 5 minutes freestyle in the wood. Not bad at all, I would say. Ready? The dog is ready. Little shatter. This is what the dog does when I can't do anything against it. It feels much better with the freestyle props. I like it. Oh. Oh. I think we hit something. Doesn't sound perfect. Let's quickly fix it. The antenna mount got moved a little bit. Not a big deal. Let's keep going. So it's still not easy after all. And now I'm scared again. Before it was working very well. Now we have a little bit of fear to crash again. It's just a tree, not a branch. The branch fairy can't hurt you here. Nice. It feels better than the Kaiju Mini on the 8000 kV motors I had before. Yeah. And this is much more spacey than with the 3.5 inch, I have to admit. Oh, oh. Another hit. I guess we call this a durability test. Let's see. I got some dirt on the cam mount. But otherwise we are fine. Let's go. Schnapsi mopsi. Oh, that was a branch fairy. Why is it... Like, if it works, it looks easy. But actually, it's really not easy. Oh, ow! Damn it. Oopsie. I calculated it, and this quad would have to go 150 km/h to exceed the 80 joule impact energy limit, at which you can get hurt, apparently, according to European law. So I actually didn't feel that, even though I just have a t-shirt on. Almost tunneled the dog, but he is faster than me. Okay, time to land. Ouch. Almost perfect landing. I think this is becoming a trend. Okay guys, see you next time.